everyone, Amanda here from Create with Scrimping Mummy, and today I've got a beautiful project to share with you. This has been made using my brand new digital collection called Vintage Seamstress. I will link everything in the description box below. If you want to go and find it, you can go and have a look. So I've used the papers. It comes in A4 and in US 8.5 by 11. It's absolutely beautiful, and I've created this kind of folio. Now the original design was made for it to be used as a photo album, but I've used it as kind of like a hybrid between a photo album and a kind of like folio journal style project. So let's have a look. So the front here has got these 3 pockets, and in each one I've put one of these lovely cards. Okay. And then it opens like so, and we've got a double layer pocket here decorated with all of the beautiful papers from the collection. Absolutely stunning. They've turned out really lovely, and I think that having them on the black cardstock really makes it pop. It looks lovely, and I've made this project to show that you don't only have to use digital papers for journals. You can use them for anything. So in here we've got some lovely tags I've just decorated with some ribbon. These are the journaling cards. So I've backed them on black cardstock, so you could use them as photo mats, or you can use them to journal. You know, I've got a white journaling pen here. Looks stunning on black card or your metallic pens. Or you can, you know, relayer on the back with a lighter paper. It's totally up to you. And then the larger bingo card here that's part of the kit, and one of the lovely envelopes which you can open and write in. And you can see the beautiful staggered pockets here. Displays the papers off absolutely beautifully. Really pretty. And that goes back in there. Now there's going to be, if you stay to the end of the video, a little bit of a surprise, but only those that stay to the end will hear about it. So this one here, so this is like an extra little mini booklet. Okay, so this one here has a window pocket. You can see my light and my camera flashing there, and I've decorated around by trimming up some of the papers. That is like a tape measure, and what I did was to shrink the size of that paper down. I printed 2 to a page, and then it gave me a smaller tape measure so that it looks pretty. Okay, I've done some of the fussy cut elements there and attached that, and then here we've got another journaling card, and I've backed there with the tape measure paper. How beautiful is this? And then the little button there, which is in the fussy cut section, I've used as a tab. Okay, so that goes in there like so. Okay, then on this side here, oops, my pages are moving. On this side here we've got a belly band with some lovely tags. And I've fussy cut one of the butterflies and stuck that on there. I've kept it really simple. I just wanted to do this project to showcase these papers, and it does it beautifully. And this is one of the larger pages, just printed out in normal size and then just cut and you know, focused in on the bit I wanted and cut it out. So in here we've got a pocket, and in the pocket we've got one of the large layaway tags, a guest check, and another journaling or photo mat. And then I've layered there with the lovely, I love that tape measure paper. It's absolutely stunning. Love it. It's lovely as a full page, and it's lovely cut up like that to just decorate little parts. There you can see it in its full format. And then we've got another full page there with another pocket, and each pocket's the same with a photo mat or journaling mat, and then some, this one's got guest check, you know, just some elements from the embellishment part of the kit. And this is the lovely embroidery sheet. It's absolutely stunning. It's really lovely. And then this is the patterned paper that I created myself, and then I've just taken some of that measuring tape that's on the fussy cutting sheet and added in 2 little tags like so. Absolutely love it. Okay, we turn over here, we've got another pocket, another tag, another photo mat. This is the collage paper, and again I shrank it down very quickly and very easily by just printing 2 to a page, and then you get 2 obviously, and the smaller obviously. But you know, if you want, if I wanted to use the normal size, then the dress form wouldn't fit on my project. Because my project's smaller, all I need to do is print 2 to a page to reduce the size of that paper. Just makes it more versatile and you can do more things with it. Another pocket there, same in another one of the beautiful papers. Again, I shrunk that down 2 to a page. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And then the back here, we've got that double slanted pocket again. It's absolutely beautiful, and I love how the stacked pocket here showcases all of the papers. It's absolutely beautiful. Okie doke, let's load it back up and I'll show you the back page. Look at these. Stunning. And I only used the Vintage Seamstress kit. I've not used anything else from any other kits. So everything that I've used here, if you get that kit, you will have it, except for this tape measure ribbon here and these paper clips. I fussy cut the scissors, I fussy cut the spools. And then on the back page there, we've got another stack pockets with the mats in for journaling or photos. Now this middle section is bound just by eyelets there, and I've done it with just packaging string. Okay, just your bog standard office supply packaging string. Then I've added this bead, and then what I've done is I've kind of like just unravelled the end of the string with my pokey tool to make a small tassel. Now I can't show you how to make this project, okay? I can't do a tutorial on it because this project has been designed by Kathy Orta. Now you can purchase this. I have absolutely no affiliation to Kathy Orta. She's just one of my favourite crafters. But I purchased this from her shop, which is paperphenomenon.com. Very easy to find. You know, if you type it into Google, you'll come up. And this is one of her simple folios, and it's Simple Folios 1. So if you want to make this, it is a paid for tutorial, which I treat myself to for Christmas, and I just thought it'd look absolutely beautiful with these lovely papers. Now, I am going to be taking lots of inspiration from lots of different journal makers and folio makers, and I have started designing one, so I will be showing you how to make one, just not this one, because I'm not allowed. Okay, now also I'm not allowed to sell it because it's one of Paper Phenomenon design. If you want to sell your projects, you need a special license, but I've not seen anywhere where it says I can't give it away. So if you've stayed to the end of the video, thank you, and I am going to be giving this project away to one lucky winner. Now it's going to be, let me see how, oh stuff it, it doesn't matter. I was going to say just UK, but let's go all out. It's New Year, so one person, no matter where you live in the world, can win this project. All you've got to do is leave me a comment. Let me think what the magic word can be. Leave me a comment, and what I'd like you to do is hop on over to my Ko-fi shop, the link's in the description box below, and tell me which is your favourite kit so far that I've created. How about that? So you've got to name one of my kits that you really like, and you will be in with a chance to win this. Now, I am renowned for forgetting about giveaways and not drawing them. So I'm going to put it in my phone so that I don't forget, and I will draw a winner for this on, today's Wednesday. I'm going to draw a winner on Friday. Okay, so I will do a quick video on Friday where I pick a winner for this folio. So yeah, if you're interested in purchasing this beautiful kit, the links are in the description box below. And do keep watching, because I am going to be sharing some more beautiful projects using this kit, because it is so pretty, it's so much fun to use. And my next project I'm going to be coordinating with my Victorian ladies kit, because the two do go together. So there you go. I hope that you like that. I hope it showed you how beautiful the papers are. I hope it's inspired you in your crafting, and I hope you watch to the end so that you can enter the giveaway. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.